Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created this blue and silver look for a girl. She DM'd me on Instagram and asked me if I could create a look for her event coming up. And her dress is light blue, like a Cinderella blue and silver. So here it is. I hope she likes it. And if you guys want to also see how to create it, keep on watching. So first, like always, I'm going to prime my eyelids using Morphe's Macchiato Concealer. So using Morphe's 25V palette, I'm going to set my primer with the first shade. And I'm going to use a Morphe S12 brush for that. You can set your brow bone with it as well. Since we're doing a silvery light blue look, I'm going to deepen up my crease with more of a cooler tone brown. And I'm going to start with this shade, second row middle shade. And I'm going to go in with a Morphe this is the brush. This is the brush that I need to figure out the name for. I have no idea what it is, but it looks like this. Use that setting brush to clean up any lines, as always. We're going to deepen up that color a little bit more with this shade right here. That's the middle shade on the fourth row. And I'm just going to use this Makeup Forever 218 blending brush for that. Going with that brush we used for the light brown. And then the setting brush. Next, I'm just going to cut my crease halfway using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Cool Beige. And I'm going to use an Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 Flat Concealer brush. And then we're going to set it using that same shade and brush we used to set our concealer. I'm just going to go in with a bit of that brown and just clean up the edge here. Then I might have gotten a little bit of light color on. Next, I'm going to go into this Club Tropicana palette by BH Cosmetics. And in the inner corner, I'm going to start with this white and transition to this silver. I'm going to use an Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush for the inner corner. I'm just gonna kind of mix that silver and white. Next, I'm gonna mix that white and this blue just to make a lighter version of that blue. And we're gonna blend that right into the white and silver. You can even wet your brush if you want it to come out a little bit more pigmented, and I'm going to use MAC's Fix Plus. Now I'm just going to clean up those edges with a clean eyeliner brush. You can put a little bit of that brown, that first light brown on it, just to knock away any of that silver shadow. So now we're gonna go back in with that dark brown that we used last and blend this out together. Next, we're gonna go in with eyeliner, and I'm gonna use Eyeko's Black Magic Liquid Liner. So you can leave it here if you want, but I'm gonna add an extra little touch, and that's gonna be a line of glitter right along the line of the cut crease. I'm gonna use NYX Glitter Primer and Eye Candy Cosmetics Baby It's Cold Outside Silver Glitter. So you just wanna get a bit of the primer onto a brush. Just try and find the smallest eyeliner brush you can. And draw a line with the primer. Kind of try and get the thinnest line you can possible. And just repeat this till you get about 3/4 of the way, halfway. It's up to you really how far you want to go. probably gonna stop mine right there. Now we're gonna do the under eye. And I'm just gonna go in with an Anastasia Beverly Hills A14 brush and pick up that darker brown we just used. And if you want, you can take a little bit of that blue. Take a little bit of that white and blue, or the silver, or just the white. And do the white and blue. And just bring it in on the bottom here. Just a little bit. Now for lashes, I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Jade number 13. Press down the eyelashes as always. Now we're going to touch up the eyeliner. Last for the eyes, we're going to do some mascara. And I'm going to use Eyeko's Lash Alert. For highlight, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in Sun Dipped. And I'm going to go in with Summer using my A23 brush. And because this eye look has a lot of color, I'm just going to use a nude color for my lips. And I'm going to use Buxom's Undercover Plump Lip Liner and MAC's Cafe Au Chic Retro Matte Lip. And this is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. Sorry if this sweater has been kind of weird this entire video. It's really cold in my room, but it kind of matches. So anyway, thank you guys again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next video.